Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or register into Monopoly Go account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go application. Here, if you click on Play with Friends option having Facebook icon, you'll be able to connect your Facebook account and play with your friends. And if you click on Play as Guest option, you'll be able to play the game without signing in. Now click on Play with Friends option, then tap on Confirm button. After that, follow through on-screen instructions and video tutorials so that you'll be able to play the game. And that is how you can sign up or register into Monopoly Go account. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.